Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon. And I hope you're all set and excited for your team presentation. This is our annual team presentation. It happens at a grand scale. We take it very seriously. We've spent a lot of time preparing for it. So team A goes first, which is focusing on both the job sector as well as entrepreneurship. Focusing on having a job as well as making a business model, and you believe that collaborating with both, combining both would be the best money-making model. So with a huge round of applause, I would like to call upon Team A. Everyone. For now, team leaders are Miss Ishita and Miss Karnika. Please join us. Before we start with our presentations, I would just remind you of a few ground rules to make sure that we have a seamless presentation today. Please focus on your most important is what? Body, energy, your aura. When you come onto the stage or you stand on the podium or you step out and you start conversating with everybody, make sure you carry a great, confident, charismatic, attractive, confident aura. Second is what? Second element is, what is the second element after your energy? No. Who remembers? Your body language. So you will be expected not to hide behind the podium unless you have stats to share, facts and figures to share. You've got to be here with the audience, you've got to mix and mingle with the audience, tap them, ask them about their opinion, come back probably, and walk around, and then talk. Third is the tonality of your voice. Please don't be very soft, you are standing here as a leader. So be a leader, speak like a leader, have authority in the tone of your voice, have confidence, do not be arrogant, but yes, confidence is necessary, and then follow your words. Words are least important, however they are important. So please focus on the right choice of words. Now, Mr. Anani did ask me, what should we do if we fumble or we forget? You will not forget if you will not memorize. Simple सा फंडा है. अगर रटोगे नहीं तो भूलोगे नहीं. Mr. Shaw, does it make sense? If you don't practice ratification, you will never forget. So speak from the heart, speak from experience. Your experience is in your body, it's there in your mind, and it's there in your feelings and emotions. So speak from the heart, connect with your audience emotionally, heart to heart, soul to soul connection, and you will get your audience engagement. Some of you have got your cue cards ready, so we are going to follow all the tactics employed by powerful public speakers. And now I would like to hand over the mics and the podium to our team leads. Let's start with our presentations.
Good afternoon everyone, it's me Ishita of BBA Section A, standing in front of you all with my group which will focus on doing job as full-time and startup as side business. So let's start it. Very first thing, startup करना है, capital चाहिए, experience करना है, capital चाहिए, experience चाहिए, market analyze करना है, target customers को समझना है, कितनी सारी challenges हैं startup के लिए. So good afternoon once again our respected professor and my dear friends. So as you know that I am here to represent my group on the topic of doing job as full-time and startup as side business. So many of us have a mindset of doing job. What does job gives us? Anyone can answer it? All those who are having a mindset of pursuing job. Yes.
ऑफ कोर्स जॉब से हमको वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इज वर्क एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है, जो कि आप फिजिकली जितना आप सीख सकते हो उस जगह पे रह के उतना आप बुक से या फिर अपनी डिग्री से नहीं सीख सकते। तो उसके लिए यू हैव टू गो देयर एंड आपको अपने जो ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस लोग हैं उनसे उनके साथ सीखने को मिलेगा। तो लर्निंग आपकी जितनी भी लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ हैं या फिर आपका कॉन्फिडेंस है वो वहीं पे ही बिल्डअप होगा। इसलिए वर्क एक्सपीरियंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो कि आपको जॉब करना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Ishita. So, as Ishita said, that we do job as we have a financial security in job, we gain experience from job, we build networks, and a proper work-life balance we have. But what about our passion of converting our thoughts and ideas into money-making thoughts and ideas? So here it is where the startup comes into the game. So I would like to again question the speakers of startup team to please stand and explain what you mean by startup. Anyone of speakers?
Well, a startup is anything which is in its is a business actually, which is in its initial phase of operations.
Well said, Anadi. So as Anadi said, according to me, startup is when we convert our ideas and thoughts into commercialization of ideas and thoughts. That means making money from those ideas. So this is what startup means. Now many of us here wants to do startup. How many of you are? Please raise your hands. Who wants to do startup? I hope from even my team also you want to do startup. Please raise your hands. Okay. So how many of you think that while doing startup you will have challenges? You will be facing challenges. You won't face any challenge? Okay, so I would like to ask Dipali, what challenges would you face?
We can face challenges like our competitors, and the first thing to very hard is to start anything. The first step is so hard to, so you can understand. The first step is the basic.
Okay. Anyone else wants to share that what are the challenges that we will face while doing the startup? Yes, Devansh.
First of all, if we like to do a startup, if we choose the plan to start any business or any enterprise, the first common step is to raise the funds from some companies or from the capital investors. And first of all, we have to plan that for what we have to start any business or anything. Thank you.
Thank you, Devansh. So, when we talk about startup, why do we want to do startup? As if we talk about job, we are getting income from the job, a proper work-life balance we are having from the job. Then what is the need of startup? So we do startup for pursuing our passion, for more cash flow, for enhancing our self-motivation and for our self-development, right? So now we talk about challenges of startup. So as Devansh said, that the very first challenge when we talk about startup is raising funds. How will we manage capital, right? So although government has फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, इंक्यूबेटर्स हैं, तो गवर्नमेंट ने इसको थोड़ा सा लिबरल बना दिया है कि कैपिटल हमें मिल जाए अपने स्टार्टअप के लिए। स्टिल इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड कि हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स और बिजनेस मॉडल को ले जाएं और वो वहाँ पे हमें फंड्स दे दें, क्योंकि उसके लिए हमें बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग बिजनेस मॉडल बनाना होता है, तभी जाकर फंड्स रेज होते हैं। सो ऑल्दो ये लिबरल है बट स्टिल एक प्रॉब्लम है। सो कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट एक प्रॉब्लम है। इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, तो मेरा फैमिली बैकग्राउंड एज अ बिजनेस है नहीं, तो मुझे प्रॉब्लम होगी कनेक्शंस में, ऑब्वियसली एक्सपीरियंस में, बिजनेस के बारे में आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग, सो आई विल फेस ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? सो मेनी challenges are there regarding startup, but still I want to do, as I think that when I do startup, I'll contribute more to the society. And one more thing I would tell, that contributing to the society not only means to generating employment, the goods and services that we are producing, that should even be positively contributing to the society, not negatively, right? So, according to my data, if I talk, then according till 31st December 2023, there are 1,17,254 startups that has provided 12.42 lakhs job to the society. So, it's a huge contribution to the society, right? But the twist is that according to another data, 90% of the startups fail. The success rate of startup is still less, just 10%. So you can imagine that it's very risky that we are stepping into the startup and we are surviving and we are gaining all the profits. So I was talking about the another data, according to which 90% of the startups fail. That means the success rate of startup is still less. That is just 10%. So don't you think that if we are going to step forward in the startup and we are thrown out of the market, what will we do? The ones who are in the startup team, you are not having any job, right? What will you do if you are thrown out of the market? And just forget about your family business background or any else source of income. So if you are thrown out of the market, totally lost, what will you do then? So in continuation of my presentation, I was asking the startup team, right, that you are not having jobs. And if you are thrown out of the market while doing startup and you don't have any family, if you don't have any family background as business and you don't have any other source of income, what would you do then? Anyone can answer. Yes.
Mr. Shaw would like to speak.
We will retry finding the issue for what the startup is not able to be a successful. We will go for the loan, other things. We will restart it for the betterment of the product.
So,
And according to me, the person who starts the setup always have a plan B. Like if a plan A fails, the person go for a plan B.
so that only I am asking that what is your plan B if you are thrown out of the market?
The startup people always have a alternative plans. Like if A plan fails, the person will opt plan B. The person, if the plan B also fails, the person also go for a plan C. It's not like like success is not getting so easy. मतलब आपको बार-बार if you are falling, so ठीक है, but one day you will become successful for sure.
Thank you, Disha. So, Aryan, you were telling that you will again try. So, do you think it will be really easy to try again once you are out of the market?
Yes.
Will you success?
Yeah. Have confidence in yourself for that.
Okay, thank you. You may sit. So, as Aryan said that he will restart his startup and be successful again. Okay. So yes, who has confidence in themselves, they can obviously do it. It's not a very big deal, right? But if we talk about my topic, my point, that I have opted for the topic job as full-time and startup as side business. I feel that market is very risky, very unstable. Once we step forward into the market, we need to analyze the market. We need to understand our target customers, and many more challenges are there. So until and unless my startup survive into the market, till then I feel that I should do the job. And obviously the job I am doing, that should be in the same field, in whichever field I am doing my startup. Say it is cosmetic or food or whatever field I am pursuing for startup. So the same field I will go for the job. Right? Now what are the benefits of doing jobs and startups together? When I am doing a 9 to 5 job, a stability of income is there. I mean financial security is there. That just right now I said. Then even if I am out of the market, still I am having a financial security with myself to earn a livelihood. Okay? Then certain standard of living is there. Then we are generating business connections and network. That is I feel very important for doing any startup. Right? So when we are doing job, we are working under the experienced people. We are analyzing the market, the operations, the methods that are used there. And we are analyzing even our target customers, their problems, what are the challenges they are facing, so that those challenges we can or I can resolve in my startup. So this is what I feel that doing job and startup together is very important. And even I would learn many soft skills like time management skills, communication skills, and many other soft skills that I take, learn and develop from here and put it into my startup to more enhance my startup. Right? Now if we are doing both together, then again we'll face challenges. जिंदगी है तो चुनौतियां तो होंगी ही. तो the intellect is in this to cope up with these challenges and be a successful entrepreneur. So when we are doing this both together, we're having a problem of time management, right? So that time we have to prioritize the things, that which one is urgent, which one possess more priority now. We have to do the things according to that. Okay, and one more problem is the legal problems. We should be aware of any contractual issues or any contractual bills that we have signed while doing jobs, right? Then only we need to open up our startup. Then we also need to focus on our mental health. When we are doing both together, obviously everything will be messed up. So we need to focus on our mental as well as physical health for our betterment, right? So this was all what I wanted to share my POV on my topic. So thank you so much. Now rest of my members of my group will come and share their POVs. Thank you so much.
One by one, the speakers can continue by handing over the mic, and you're also free to use the podium mic.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Aditya Singh. I hope you all are good. So, we are here on the presentation of our topic, job as full-time and startup as a side business. So, basically, as we are youngsters, we always want to start a business, right? According to me, job as a full-time and startup as a side business is all we need, because we, at our age, we need a passive income for fulfilling our dreams. And we also need a mindset, not only idea like, yeah, I have to do a business and I have to build a startup. So, yeah, you also need a huge amount of capital to build a startup. And not only the startup is the only thing you get, but you have to set a job, a 9 to 5 job, from which will give you saving for your capital investment and all your future goals. So we all know that also in the job and startup will get to meet people more successful and more experienced than us, and they also have more hard mindset of doing business, startups, and what they have thought about a job. Whenever you are a successful person, that do I have to do a job or startup? The first thing, you do a startup, but you do have a mindset of doing a startup, and how you have to start, how you have to build them, and how you will manage. The very first thing, that time management. So you have to prioritize both of them, because you not only focus on your job, like I have to money or I have to invest. So you do focus on your job, and you have continuously thinking about and creating ideas about your startup. So only you can build a great startup. And according to me, I can meet people who can mentor me in my path, so I can create more good startup and more ideas about my startup. I am not talking about only one startup. Maybe I can create more than one startup after many years. So according to me, I can do both job and startup for me, because it is the best for me. I can do both like job and startup, because first of all, it gives me a financial freedom. I have passive amount of money or income, I will say, so I can fulfill my dreams. Like as a youngster, we all have dreams like we can get this car, that car, that house. We are not only have one house. So I will think that if you have a passive amount of income, I will get this house, that house, then I can buy a island, jet and all. So I think that in my opinion, I will choose both of them, and I will prioritize them both. Thank you.
Speakers, before we carry on, I'm going to restrict the time of speaking to 5 minutes because you have to be very concise, precise, compendious, and to the point. Do not be repetitive. So let's carry on with our third speaker. The more concise you are, the more impact you make on your audience. All right, so we have Mishti joining us now.
Good afternoon, respected professor and my dear fellow mates. Can I get a feedback? Thank you. So before starting or stating my points as to why I chose job as a full-time and startup as a side business, I would like to discuss 2 words which are often referred to as being similar. The first one is side hustle and the second one is startup. So does any one of you want to try what a side hustle really means and how does it differ from side business or startup? किसी को थोड़ा सा भी आइडिया है कि साइड हसल होता क्या है?
Sure, you want to speak?
Okay, so I only tell. See, a startup is when you are opting for a work, job or project alongside your main source of income and that is something you are passionate about or skilled in. इसके एग्जाम्पल्स हो सकते हैं फ्रीलांसिंग, ट्यूटरिंग, राइड शेयरिंग और कंसल्टिंग. ठीक है, अब इससे समझ में तो आ गया होगा ना कि साइड हसल होता क्या है. अब स्टार्टअप मॉडल ग्रुप क्या जैसे अभी अनादि ने बताया कि स्टार्टअप क्या होता है, कोई और ट्राई करना चाहता है, कोई प्रिसाइज डेफिनेशन नहीं देनी है, बस मुझे इतना ही बताना है कि स्टार्टअप आपके लिए क्या मीन करता है जो आपने चूज किया.
Startup usually consists of a passion, what you have to do. Mainly it's an equation from new business, technology, innovations. So the pile-up of this makes a startup, which consists of many things like you may say you are passionate about what you are doing and you have to carry, you have to fulfill your dreams.
So much of it. कोई और बताना चाहेगा? आप लोग इतने सारे लोग हैं, आपने स्टार्टअप चूज किया है, पता तो होगा ना कि क्यों किया है, तो कोई बताएगा? हिंदी में बता दीजिए. स्टार्टअप क्या मीन करता है आपके लिए?
अनादि बता चुके हैं, किसी और से जानना चाहती हैं? आपको तो एक्नॉलेज कर ही दिया इन्होंने. ये जानना चाहती हैं आपके लिए स्टार्टअप की परिभाषा क्या है और अनादि से नहीं जानना चाहती, उनसे सुन चुकी. देवांश.
स्टार्टअप एक ऐसी चीज है जो एक ना एक टाइम पे हर आदमी करना चाहता है, क्योंकि हर इंसान के अंदर अपने अंदर इतना कॉन्फिडेंस होता है कि हाँ वो सक्सीड कर लेगा हर चीज में. अब जैसे मैं हूँ, मेरा फैमिली बैकग्राउंड जो है बिजनेस का है, तो मैं अपने फादर को देखता हूँ, अपने पेरेंट्स को देखता हूँ, वो हमेशा से बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं अब इस बिजनेस से हट के कुछ और अच्छा और या फिर इसी बिजनेस में बहुत अच्छा और कुछ कर सकता हूँ. तो सबका एक कह सकते हैं, हम पैशन भी कह सकते हैं और ड्रीम फुलफिल करने की एक जो स्टेप होता है कि जैसे मुझे मान लो इन फ्यूचर आई लाइक कार्स. हाँ, मुझे कार्स बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, तो मैं अगर चाहता हूँ मैं 1 करोड़ वाली कार खड़ी करूँ या फिर 4 करोड़ वाली कार खड़ी करूँ, तो मुझे स्टार्टअप करना होगा. मैं जानता हूँ मेरा जो ये वाला बिजनेस है उसमें मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ ये चीज़, इसलिए मुझे स्टार्टअप करके और उस स्टार्टअप को एक ऐसे लेवल पे लाना है जिससे मैं वो अपना ड्रीम या फिर अपना पैशन फुलफिल कर सकता हूँ.
थैंक यू सो मच देवांश. चलिए, स्टार्टअप हम लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि एक न्यूली स्टार्टेड बिजनेस होता है जो कि कोई बंदा एक यूनिक प्रोडक्ट, सर्विस या फिर टेक्नोलॉजी एक एग्जिस्टिंग मार्केट में लाने के लिए करता है, राइट? अच्छा, जो लोग स्टार्टअप करते हैं उनको क्या बोला जाता है? वेरी गुड. अच्छा, अच्छी बात है, सबको पता है स्टार्टअप मॉडल ग्रुप में. सो अब मैं बताऊंगी कि मैंने क्यों चूज किया कि एक जॉब होना 9 to 5 विच इज हेक्टिक एंड स्ट्रेसफुल एंड उसके साथ एक साइड बिजनेस भी करना. तो देखो, इशिता ने ऑलरेडी काफी अच्छे पॉइंट्स एक्सप्लेन किया, आदित्य ने भी, बट फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी तो मेन पॉइंट हो ही जाता है. पैसे तो हैं, एडिशनल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम तो है ही, कैश फ्लो भी अच्छा आ रहा है, एक जगह से नहीं दूसरी जगह से भी आ रहा है. साथ ही साथ मुझे बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट मिलता है इसमें, वो है अर्ली रिटायरमेंट ऑप्शन, है ना? जब मैं ज्यादा पैसे कम उम्र में कलेक्ट कर लूंगी, जल्दी रिटायर हो जाऊंगी, अच्छे से खर्च करूंगी. करूँगी कि नहीं करूँगी, राइट। इसके साथ साथ मेरी मार्केटेबिलिटी बहुत अच्छी बन जाती है। जैसे कि अगर मेरा स्टार्टअप वर्कआउट नहीं किया तो मुझे पता है कि अब सेकंड प्लान तो होगा ना। जैसे शाह ने बोला कि हम लोग दोबारा ट्राई करेंगे, मैंने दोबारा ट्राई किया, नहीं हुआ तो करूँगी तो जॉब ही ना, फिर कुछ ना कुछ तो रखना पड़ेगा ना दिमाग में। अब मेरी मेंटालिटी सेट हो गई कि मुझे जॉब के साथ साइड बिजनेस करना है, तो मैं तो वही करूँगी और परस्यू, राइट। तो जब मैंने जॉब किया, फिर स्टार्टअप भी किया, नहीं सक्सेसफुल हुआ, फिर से जॉब करने की कोशिश करी, तो फिर मेरे एक रेज्यूमे में एक बूस्ट मिल जाएगा लोगों को। उनको दिखेगा कि इसके अंदर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्किल्स है, साथ ही साथ ये इनिशिएटिव लेती है, तो इससे मेरी मार्केटेबिलिटी बढ़ती है। साथ ही साथ जब मैं साइड बिजनेस कर रही होती हूँ तो उसमें मेरे साथ ऐसा भी होता है कि मेरे जो प्रोफेशनल नेटवर्क्स हैं वो इतने अच्छे बन जाते हैं कि मुझे कहीं ना कहीं एक वैल्यू मिल जाती है मार्केट में कि हाँ, इसका बिजनेस तो अच्छा चल ही रहा होगा। इसके साथ आई वुड लाइक टू एंड कि मैंने क्यों जॉब करना प्रायोरिटाइज किया विद अ साइड बिजनेस। आई वुड लाइक टू हैंड इट ओवर टू आयुष्मान मैडम। थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम।
Hello everyone, my name is Ishika Jain and I'm here to highlight the key features of why I personally choose the hybrid business model, that is job as full-time and starting a startup. With the rise of entrepreneurship and the gig economy, more and more professionals are exploring the opportunities to run their own businesses along with their primary careers. Can anyone explain me why this trend is happening nowadays? Anyone? My question is that more and more professionals are exploring the opportunities to run their own businesses along with their primary careers.
बिकॉज ऑफ शॉर्टेज ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट आजकल जनरेशन इतनी ज़्यादा हो रही है कि हर कोई सिर्फ इसीलिए हो रहा है कि एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं मिल रही है, एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं मिल रही है, तो उसको उस जगह पे ढूंढने के इससे अच्छा है कि कोई अपना स्टार्टअप बिल्ड करे और अपने अंडर में 10, 20, 50 आगे जितने भी लोग को वर्क करे, इसलिए वो उसको जाते हैं।
Thank you, Sudha. So basically, this trend reflects the desire for financial independence, personal growth, enabling entrepreneurship skills, risk minimization, and securing a better future. When a person have a job, they get a particular amount of fixed income every month that's gradually gonna increase every year. So the amount that is saved can be. So I was talking about when a person have a job, they get a particular amount of fixed income every month that is gradually gonna increase every year. The amount that is saved from that income can be invested in the side startup, and when the side startup will start growing up, it will eventually boost their incomes. Starting a side startup after having job experience is more fruitful because person have the knowledge, the right knowledge, experience, because experience बड़ी चीज है. Experience and get clients, investors. So this will help in the side startup to get valuable mentorship, the clients, etc. Also, there is a great provision for risk minimization because the person can take calculated risk and gradually scale up their business. The very essence of my speech is double your ambition, thrive with a side startup, and it's the power of dual pursuit. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to everyone present here. My name is Aishwan Nitin and I'm a student of BBA first year. सबसे पहले हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे कि एक ऐसे टॉपिक से मैं स्टार्ट करूँगा, हम लोग अपनी लाइफ में बैलेंस कैसे कर सकते हैं, लाइक दोनों चीज़ों को। अगर हम लेते हैं अपनी जॉब एज फुल टाइम, साथ ही साथ में अगर हम स्टार्टअप और एक स्टार्टअप को स्टार्ट करते हैं या फिर साइड बिजनेस करते हैं, तो वो हमें कैसे हेल्प कर सकता है या हम उसमें अपना कैसे टाइम मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं। तो इसमें आजकल इट इज़ चेंजिंग ड्रास्टिकली, लाइक इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड एवरी कॉमन जनरेशन ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एंड they are trying to do start startups because students are getting creative minds and they are just trying to do it. So let's start where people are seeking more flexibility, financial security and the opportunity to pursue their passion. So let's start by acknowledging that a 9 to 5 job is not at all an easy work to do at any cost because it requires a lot of hard work and time management and other things to pursue their passion, and a lot of hustle is needed in that to do it. But despite the challenges, job gives you a lot of benefits, like you can get health insurance in that and other facilities are provided in that. And let's talk about a 9 to 5 job. A 9 to 5 job is you are working in an office. Okay, if you are working in an office, it really whether you are working in an office, a factory, or even if you are working from your home, your job provides you with a stability of an income, and many benefits are offered there. And of course, you have a job stability because no one can, if you work in a government sector, no one can just remove you like from the job. So, but what about the passion which you have? That idea of witching which you want to turn it into a reality. Can anybody answer that? Like what can you do by, if you are doing a job, you have idea of startups but you are not ready to implement them, how can you try and do your job as well as alongside you can do a startup as well? Can anyone can answer this? So why should you consider starting a side business along with your full-time startups? So it's an opportunity to diversify your income as you can get a passive income. It can really help you to increase your like luxury items you can buy from that, and you can do whatever you want to do. And it's a chance to pursue your passion, and it really gives you skills to develop, and often teaches you many things, the like time management and other things. So how do you find balance in your life when you are doing a startup as well as as well as a 9 to 5 job in your lifestyle? So let's take about it. Firstly, you have to prioritize your time. Prioritizing your time means you can make a to-do list, and you can use tools like calendars and all to to get precise and be on time. And secondly, don't be afraid to ask for help from anyone. Like even if you are delegating work to your family members or you are hiring freelancers, so you should always do कि आपको हेल्प करनी चाहिए, मतलब मांग लेनी चाहिए, क्योंकि उसमें बिल्कुल भी शर्माना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि आप हर काम अकेले नहीं कर सकते हो एट एनी कॉस्ट। आपको मेहनत लगती है ऑब्वियसली। अगर आपको ऐसे पीपल के साथ में सराउंड होना पड़ता है जिसमें लोग आपको बिलीव करते हो, आपके विजन पे बिलीव करते हो कि आप ये कर सकते हो, तो आपको ऐसे लोगों के साथ में आपको अपने आप को रखना चाहिए ऐसे सर्कल में। एंड बट ये तो हो गया, बट इसमें ये भी रहता है कि आपको
Very good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ishita Pandey, and today I'm here to discuss on the topic job as a full-time and startup as a side business. So the very first question comes is why job? Okay, and if job is okay 9 to 5 for a hustle is okay for you, then why you should go for startup? Okay, so let's take an example of two peoples, A and B. A is someone जो फैमिली एक बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड से आता है, उस जो A is someone जो बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड से आता है और वो अपनी 12th कंप्लीट करता है, अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करता है और उसको बस स्टार्टअप शुरू करना है और उसको इन्वेस्टमेंट मिल रही है। अब उसके फादर ने इन्वेस्टमेंट दी और रिलेटिव ने इन्वेस्टमेंट दी और बस ही स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग अप, ठीक है, इन अ बिजनेस, क्योंकि उसके पास ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस था उसके फादर के पास जो भी उसको मिला। एंड बी इज समवन जो नॉन बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड से आता है लाइक मी, ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल है मेरा। तो ही इज समवन, उसने वो 12th करता है, ग्रेजुएशन करता है, नाउ ही वांट टू स्टार्ट अ स्टार्टअप। इफ तो फर्स्टली ही वांट कैपिटल, ही और शी वांट्स कैपिटल, ठीक है, कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट। सेकेंड इज वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, ठीक है। थर्ड इज टू बिल्ड अ कैरेक्टर, ओके, ठीक है। तो आपकी एक सैलरी, एक इनकम मिलती है, तो ये एक फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी होती है। सेकेंड इज टू बिल्ड अ कैरेक्टर, ठीक है। जिसको कोई चीज़ बस मिल जाती है ऐसे ही, तो वो उसको फॉर ग्रांटेड लेने लगता है, और ऑफ कोर्स उसके अंदर एक ईगो काइंड ऑफ बिल्ड होता है, ठीक है। एंड जो इंसान अप्स एंड डाउन्स देखते हुए सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स देखते हुए आगे बढ़ता है, उसके अंदर एक कैरेक्टर बिल्ड होता है, जो कि काइंड ऑफ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड कह सकते हैं। एक कामनेस होती है उसके अंदर, एक हम्बलनेस होती है। तो ईगो इज समथिंग जो कि वी ऑल नो कि इज अवर ग्रेट एनिमी, जो कि एक टाइम पे जाके आपको नीचे गिरा देता है। तो उसको सीखने के लिए यू शुड गो फॉर अ जॉब फर्स्ट, और आई थिंक 2 to 3 years आपको अपने देनी चाहिए जॉब के ऊपर। एंड अब अगर जॉब तो हो गई, ठीक है, आपने वर्क कर लिया, एक्सपीरियंस ले लिया, नेक्स्ट इज अब स्टार्टअप करना है। क्योंकि 9 to 5 कर करके इज नॉट समथिंग आप अपनी लाइफ को कर पाओगे। तो फॉर लग्जरी यू कैन फाइनेंशियल, जहाँ पे आपको फ्रीडम फाइनेंशियल मिल सकती है, और ठीक है, इन सब के लिए यू हैव टू गो फॉर अ स्टार्टअप ऑल्सो। तो इज इट फॉर मी इट्स ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।
Job startup, and I have some points for the same. Weekend off. Each and every person needs rest. A break after 4 or 5 days. The rest 2 or 3 days could be utilized in regarding spending the growth of a startup. A fixed salary rate. In job, it is fixed that
Hello everyone, a very good afternoon. My name is Rishita Jain and I hope you all are doing good. So, are you all doing good? So, from my opinion, job as full-time and startup as a side business is a better option as it fulfills all my needs and requirements. It provides me financial security, which is one of the most important and essential decisions of our life. And I think job is the best option for me because it has its own benefits like financial security, professional development, and a stability of income. Okay, so and I would like to do a startup. Startup is something I would like to do not only for additional income but also to please my creative side. Thank you.
So, good afternoon, Professor ma'am. So, firstly, can I get a round of applause for my team's performance?
Oh yes,
They performed very good, right?
absolutely, I agree.
Thank you, ma'am. So, firstly, you all heard about why and why we should choose startup as a side business while having a job. Now, I'm gonna tell you that there are many people who did this kind of a tactic and went to become billionaires. So, firstly, we have the side. Yes. So, firstly, we all know what Lenskart, right? Yes. So, we all know that who's the owner, who's the CEO, and who's the founder. Piyush Bansal. So, but did we know that before Lenskart, in his early days, he was working in Microsoft? Around 1.5 years or around 2 years, he worked there. He gathered all his resources and information and experience, came back to India, and then launched his first startup named SearchMyCampus.in. And that special startup created or ignited the fire of entrepreneurship in him. Then, do we know Anshuman Vora? No, you don't know? That's because he's from the US. His company is from the US. But the thing is, he was an investment banker. Back in I guess 2005, he was an investment banker, and he liked his work, but his main interest was in the distillery and liquor business. So he while working on his job, he gathered he gathered that information, that financial independence and the financial independence and the experience to build a startup from zero named Bulldog Gym. And he started that business, and now that business is a multi-million dollar startup in the US. Now, again, we all know who is Aman Gupta, the CEO of Bolt. But do we know that he's a current chartered accountant? Did we? Okay, some people knew that. So that's the point, right? Being a chartered accountant doesn't make you go away from that, because being a chartered accountant and starting a audio wearable company is like being miles apart. You know, you don't go from you're going a chartered accountant to be a CEO of a bearing brand, but he did. So if he can do, then why can't we? So that's it. And there are like these examples are just a tip of the iceberg, because we have tons of people who are working in a job and they have brilliant ideas, and they are working on their startup to grow their income and wealth. Thank you, everyone.
Afternoon, everyone. I myself Karnika Singh, and as you can see the topic on the screen, it's job as full-time and startup as side business. It's job. It's nice to see you all here. Thank you for joining us. Doing a job as full-time and a startup as side business is the best option for me. And I believe for all those people out there who does not have any financial support. As investors say, if 90% of the startups fail, quitting a paying job is not a smart option. It's the most foolish thing you could do ever in your life. Why should the investor invest in you? Right? Alright. Nowadays, taking a risk is what we believe makes us feel more alive. Like Khatron Ke Khiladi, dopamine releases and you feel very good. Right? Yes. Right, sir? Okay. So, it's good to take risk. I'm not opposing it, but taking risk without thinking is what fools do. And you are not a fool. Or are you? No. You are not, no? Okay. So, risk without thinking makes us fool, as I said earlier. While taking risk, you should analyze your situation and your condition which you are in. Like you should know what problems you are going to face in future, how you should tackle them, and what are the things you could do to prevent it. Job for me provides me financial support. Like I am from a background where business does not exist for my parents. They know nothing about business. They are from service sector, and they are like business for them is a risk. See, money goes and money comes in. They know nothing about it, and business means like investing is the lose of money for them. Extra kharcha. Okay, so when for me doing a job provides me a sense of security and identity. I know that I am working in that firm. I can show my identity card to people that yeah, I am working somewhere and I have that name of firm with me. So job provides me financial support as well as it provides me a sense of security. I connect with a lot of new people. I get to meet with investors, incubators, and a lot of rich client people that can be helpful in my side business. They are a bonus point for me. Yes? Right? Okay. So, according to me, I believe that taking risk is a good thing. But with thinking, you should be mindful while taking risk. So when it comes to starting a side business, you know what are the things you are going to do. You have a plan. That's why you are opting for starting a side business, right? Yeah. Helps me in enhancing my time management and communication skills. Like I know that I'm working 9 to 5 job and I have to manage my side business with it. Any side hustle. Like I'm a student right now, I can be doing a side hustle. That also teaches me a lot about time management, patience, and determination. But we have to stick to it. We know we fall again and again, and we have to stand up. Quitting is not an option, nor it was, and neither it will be ever in future. Giving up is for losers, and I think so that there are no losers right now in this room. There are. Where are they? There are not, no, right?
No, there are not.
Okay. Losers is a very big stamp you get in your life. It's not a good thing to get it. Giving up is never an option. If you are getting into something like you are thinking of starting a side business while doing your job, you should be passionate about it. It's not a game that you can take, kabhi bhi utha loge, khel loge, kabhi bhi chhod doge. That's a very bad thing. And I believe that there is no one in this room that is responsible to do something like that. So I believe that everyone here knows what startups take, what the amount of hard work and risk you have to take, and the startup group also knows that. That's why Aryan Shaw, and he's not with us, he said that if you fail, if you fail at startup, you again redo it, right? But I do not have that option with me. See, I do not have any financial support, so I know job is one of the main reasons that can help me in starting a side business. There are a lot of people, and everything they do in their life depends on their personal options and decisions, the situation they are in, and the conditions they are going to face in future. Everyone has to take their own life decisions and have to face their own life problems. It depends on a person or an individual solely that they have what they can do in future and what they will do in future. So taking a risk is not a bad option. I'm saying that startup is a good option. But for me, job as full-time and a startup as side business is the best option. And I'm saying it. Thank you everyone for giving us your precious time.
Obama